guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Babang June Life in the Philippines. So guys, we're looking here. We're gonna buy a motorbike in Max, guys. So for Bob's service, going to the gym. So you don't like to drive a car because it's so spend too much gas, and you know guys, I don't like the red one. I want the black one, but you know they don't have available black one, ABS. So this one only the available, the green, not the green color, not the gray. This one is green color, but that one is non-ABS. You don't like ABS, non-ABS. So I want that red, guys. Bob is over there. We want this.
Nag-vlog ka, ma'am?
Ha?
Sabi ko, nag-vlog ka.
Wa po ga-block?
Nag-vlog ba, vlog?
Nag-vlog ko.
Nag-vlog ka, yawa. Sikat mo dali.
Sikat mo ni ano? Allah.
Kari.
Alay, ikaw ko na masikat dong. Bebe, ato ipakita ni mong naong dong, be. Dari dong.
Mo ni Garilis.
Mo ni ko. Welcome to the boat. Oh, sige.
You don't have to do this. I'll know your phone number on your phone.
Phone number. Where is the phone number? Oh, kana ah.
Dili ah.
Where is that, honey?
Sakira. Tulduan ko po.
Atibori. Robert D. That's right, honey.
Yes.
Mas lami pa manuntang ka ng kuano eh. Katong green.
Ha? Green?
Oh, pero di man siya ganahan. Hala.
Ano na yung unsay ganahan niya, pero di siya magmahay.
Mga jud no. Hi, Bob. Are you okay, Bob? Dong, saan man ni pagkuan dong kanang mo minor mo break.
Nagpalit sa gasolina. Nagpalit pag gasolina.
Palitan pa ni free na ni gasolina.
Play na.
Oh, pultang ha.
Joy,
Ay, pultang. Free, pultangon ni mo.
150 ra.
Ay, oh. Gamay ra ba?
Gamay ra kayo.
Oh. Pila ni kidong di ni kas gasolina dong.
Depende.
Di ba ni siya kama drive sa una na ni. Bugat ra ba kayo ni?
Baka maura na si Jack, na namin motor.
Oo no. Kamao ni siya. Nya ako di ko kamao, di ko mag-drive kay mahadlok ko.
Practice mo ka.
Mahadlok jud ko dong kay nervyuson ko. Yap, tudloan ni mo dito. Inigabot ha. Kay di ba ni siya kamao.
Sige. Bunga tag in English na nila.
Sige lang.
Gamit
Ay, sige lang gud marong grammar ay problema
Gamit
na.
ng in English na.
Kana ilahang nga di man na kanang kuan.
Basta makasabot lang.
Kasabot ra na sila mga basic ra tong English waan na. Kasabot ta kay na sila. Sila na mag-igog sabot. Sila na mag-igog sabot ta na. May problema. Mga dyan na pasinawan, nindot siya ni Derida kay pasinawan. Comment ko ha nga.
Oo.
Kanang hi guys.
Oo, ari yun.
Oh, you can buy motorbike in do exam no? Yamaha?
Good
Exam,
quality, good
good
service.
quality, good service. Look at that. Oh, good service. Pasinawan pa guys, oh. Astang ligid pasinawan, liguon pa gyud niya.
Oo, pasinawan po.
Pag kanindota.
Slide
Yo,
mo man eh.
liguon pa gyud niya ron.
Ako'y maligo.
Sa pag kanindota gyud. Kana jud dong good service kayo.
Kulog-kulogan.
Good service kayo na tanawa og pasinawan.
Gamit mo, kita magamit sa red.
You can read you can use the red because it's red that color. I use the black one.
Okay.
I'm not a driver, you know.
We'll get you a red one like that eventually.
The red one also?
We'll get you one just like that.
Wala may red na inana.
Last stock na,
Dong.
ma'am. Gawat ako
Only
sa-
the last stock.
No, we'll order one online.
So maybe
we're not-
actually next month we will have another stock.
It's good color, the red one, because you
The
know
red.
your bike is red, so it's fit. It's like a fashion, you know. It's like a fashion, you know. I don't know.
Terno, ma'am ba?
Oh, turn no
It'll
fashion
it'll
man na.
match my red blood when I have a wreck.
Oy. It's not that.
Soon you can buy another one, another the black.
No, you can buy. Yeah, you can buy helmet. Ah, the black no.
Yes,
Oh,
the
another
black,
one
then you'll buy
for me.
another helmet black. Soon.
Oh my goodness.
We will see you soon.
Ayan ni.
Tuon jud ka anak, ma'am.
Di juko ka mao. I'm always nervous.
Hmm?
I'm nervous.
Well, of course you are. You ain't rode one.
I don't know how to.
That's why you both gotta learn.
Okay.
We can do it though.
I can do it now?
But no,
No.
we can do it. Not now.
Not now.
Can
I'm
you try
scared.
this
I
one
need to
lastly?
practice.
This is for the full registration we put to your
Yeah.
bike. It's still on process. This one. Okay, thank you.
I don't know about that. Huh? You can...
Ma'am, pwede mag-pictures at ano.
Ah,
Ay, sir, you can just...
Bodyguard na, bodyguard.
Anak ka, sir, dyan.
Nasa ha? Kada unahon, ma'am.
Yeah. Smile.
Pero ginoon ko ni dako, Sir Brad. Ra.
Click.
1, 2, 3. Isa pa.
Ka-video.
Okay ra. 1, 2, 3.
Balik ka to, isa sa wajas. Okay, thank you.
Sikat na yan ha?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you kayo, Day. Thank you. Ah, ihatag mo siya, ma, ha? Tah, pasinawan dyan mo. Mana akong ganahan ni mo dong?
Apa mo man?
Pasinawan dyan dong. Tah, dugay kinuhuman no?
O di pa dito ni mao.
Ay, hala, di pa. Di pa sidik po di pa day mao day kuno day. Ha?
Ay finishing.
Ala, pinisingan pa day day. Hala ka diha day. Pinisingan. Pinisingan pa day kuno.
Aron masatisfy ba?
Ala, anindot. Sus mo ni akong ganahan nimo dong. Ta, pasinawi jud dong asang ligid. Mangyari kabot to kay mahugaw na pod. Ikabot sa balay imo na pulipihan.
Oh, pwede gyud po.
Ala kaluoy. Kaluoy.
Di na man ni gamito, nagabot ito, hindi mahugaw.
Oh, di na mahugaw. Ari. Pero di man yan ako i-post sa Facebook. I-post. Oh, sige, sige. Oh, sige, sige, sige.
Uy, problema.
Ah, sige. No problem. Okay.
Hey, Mr. How do I pronounce your name? Family name, sir?
Robert Atibori.
Atibori Robert. Yes. Okay, Mr. Atibori Robert D. Sir, this is our release papers. So these papers, we are processing, still processing for the registration. So you will put these papers to your bike
Okay.
or the Yuga.
Okay.
So this paper as well, sir, is will inform you that is only valid to today only from LTO. For tomorrow, sir, kindly like for police checkpoints, just be like be careful. For
Okay.
police check, as long as they honor this by police, as long as the driver they have this driver's license and the helmet. This is obviously we honor that.
So if next week I get pulled over at at a stop
Checkpoint.
and I show them this and my driver's license,
So kindly present this to the police too.
give that to the police
Yes,
with
sir.
my
They will
driver's
just honor
license.
that they see that the
Okay.
date there is new bike, so it's still processing for the registration.
Okay.
So they will honor that as long
Okay.
as we will just explain to them further for the processing of the papers.
Okay.
They will honor that. And then, sir, for registration, we put that for registration only for the plate. That's for registration as of now.
Okay, for
So
registration.
soon, sir, once it's processed by 3 months or maybe less 3 months, we will give to you the original ORCR or the certificate of registration and the official receipt of the bike. So that's
Okay.
original, sir.
Okay.
And then we will either give you for the temporary plate
Okay.
the numbers from LTO, but still that's a temporary one.
Okay.
So we were still waiting for the original, which is since 2016 up to this year, they never released the original. So they provide only the temporary one. But still that's valid, sir, until the
Okay,
receipt
great.
of original plate number. Okay?
Super.
And then, sir, for the insurance, we have this 1 year only, sir, for it's like TPL. So third party liability only is the covered for this insurance.
Okay.
So only for the when you hit someone, that's only covered.
Right.
The driver and the bike is not included.
Yeah.
It's only for hospital bills, limit for 100,000.
Okay.
So this one, sir, can you keep this or put this to your bike for your
Okay,
safety
great.
as well. And then this one, sir, is the manual per hour and max. So can you just read this if you have any time. And then this one is for the warranty guidebook.
Okay.
So
Warranty.
this one, sir, you need to bring this every time you come in Yamaha for service for your bike for checkups.
Okay.
So we have this service coupons. So you will present this to the mechanic or the service advisor of
Okay.
of the shop.
1 year?
Hopefully
1 year
by-
warranty?
Yes, 2 years na siya, ma'am.
2 years warranty, honey.
Hopefully by the time it's due for an oil change, I'm confident enough to drive here.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, soon.
So hopefully.
So we put here, sir, the schedule when you will go in Yamaha for checkups.
Okay. Does
So
it have to be there here?
Any Yamaha, sir.
Oh, any
will do.
Yamaha. Because there's Yamaha right close to our house.
Yes, you have
Yeah, there's a-
Dawis.
That is,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, right
You
there.
can
Okay,
also
good, great.
bring that to your house there.
Super.
So this one, sir, can we check this one? We have this kilometer mileage or the date of your schedule. So whichever comes first, these two, sir.
Okay.
Can we check your kilometer mileage to your bike? Then, if it's already, for example, the bike has 500 to 15 kilometer mileage, so you can now bring that in Yamaha.
Okay, great.
But once it's not yet 500, but the date is already June 21 for the first checkup, you can now present that or bring it to Yamaha.
Okay.
So whichever comes first, these two.
How much do they charge for a service charge, do you know?
Actually, sir, we have this four free service, sir.
Free
This
service.
For label, I put this label, so it's free
From
June and till February, sir.
February.
Okay,
But
great.
you can
It's a free.
but you can check that in your kilometer mileage of which comes first.
Okay, great.
So first four, sir, will be free labor and service. So once you want to change oil the bike, or you will only pay for the oil,
Okay.
but it's already free labor and service.
Okay, great.
Last two checkups, sir, will be only free labor for FI cleaning. They will just tell you what's that FI cleaning once you have a service. And once you complete this first 1 year or first 5 for having a service in Yamaha, you will have an extension of 1 year warranty. So basically, you have 2 years warranty.
Warranty.
Okay, super.
So kindly complete this 5.
Okay.
It's like it's an advantage for you have this 2 year warranty.
Yeah, that's great.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very
So this is very important. So kindly bring this every time you have a service.
Sure.
And sir, and for the warranty, I want to inform you that only covered is the factory defect of the engine parts.
Okay.
So we still don't have know yet the performance of your bike. Once you have noticed any problems, so kindly bring it here in Yamaha.
Okay.
So we will check that by your mechanic. Once they find out that there's a defect with the bike, so that's the time we will file for a warranty in Yamaha. And then we'll inform you that, and for the warranty, you have any problem, just kindly bring it here.
Okay.
Any problem for the bike, so that we
Okay.
will check it.
Sure.
And then inform you, sir, that here in Yamaha, there's no return, no exchange of unit. Only the defective parts will be replaced by Yamaha.
Okay.
So I guess that the bike and max is very, the parts is like other than the Yamaha or other
Yeah.
than brands, sir. We
Yeah.
trust Yamaha.
Yeah.
So we have, sir, if you have any questions for the bike or for the registration, please kindly call this one now.
Also,
We have
ano
the
eh.
cell phone,
They have
contact
Facebook,
numbers for the
contact.
landline and 2 cell phone numbers for the Globe and for the Smart, and we have the Facebook. So we will post here also the picture, ma'am.
Okay.
And then, sir, we provide or give to you the discount card. This discount card, sir, is valid for 2 years. So you will use this by you buy an oil in the exam, you will have a discount of 10 peso for the oil, 10% for the accessories or for the spare part, just like this one.
You can use this
10%
one
discount.
yeah.
And then you have this 5% discount for labor charges. So every time you have a service in shop, so you get a
Okay.
Discount. They always bring this one,
yes,
no?
we
Yes.
will bring this one. So that's why we already attach this together so that it will never be misplaced.
Yeah.
So I think that's this one will be the helmet you bought. So I will get to you the free
Helmet.
and jersey.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.